Okay, so today we are out in Maple Ridge. We have just replaced the water main, so this is using the pipe pulling technology. What you're going to see here is our entry pit. We went a little larger with this one because the pipe had a really big curve on it. So as the pipe came off, this is the new pipe you can see that we've pulled through. There's our curb stop. You see this big angle that we're on here. Now, as the pipe came through the hole, the pipe actually came out here and it had a big curvature going on. So what we had to do is just open a little more of the hole to get a straighter area of the pipe. So as you can see, we haven't destroyed any, no trenching. This is the only area of soil that we had to remove. So we've got that removed. Now I'm going to move inside the house and show you the entry pit, because this is the exit pit. So I'm just going to pause this video for a moment and go into the house. Okay, so here we are. We're inside the house. We had to remove a water heater to get at this spot here. The pipe went down at a really odd angle as well here. So it went down like this. The pipe went down across the foundation, and it looped around the corner through the front room and out into the home. Now, what we did here to make sure that, because it had such a large loop, you have to be really cautious. We're using the pipe pulling method, which ensures that we're not using the bursting method. Using the bursting method in this situation could cause other damage to any underlying facilities. The pipe pulling method runs right through pulls the old pipe out and the new pipe in. So as you can see here, we also cambered all the lines, located all the facilities to make sure it was safe, and proceed with the pull. That gives you an idea of the entry pit. This is where we fed the new pipe in to where you saw it outdoors. Okay, thanks again. See you on the next one.